In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a watermark in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. We'll move through the exact controls you need and talk about what each setting does, so you can get a clean, professional-looking result. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. With the document up, look to the top for the Edit option, either on the global bar or in the toolbar, and select it. This opens the Edit PDF Tools pane on the right side. In that pane, choose Watermark, then click Add. That action opens the Add Watermark dialog box, which is where you'll make all your choices. Begin by picking the source for your watermark. If you want plain, crisp wording like draft or confidential, choose text and type directly into the text field. If you prefer a logo or branded graphic, choose File, then browse to an image such as a JPG or PNG. Using an image gives you more visual personality, while text keeps things lightweight and straightforward. Next, customize how the watermark looks and behaves on the page. Opacity controls transparency. Lowering the opacity makes the mark subtle, which is ideal when you don't want to distract from the content. Rotation lets you angle the watermark. A diagonal around 45 degrees is a classic choice for a background mark. Position sets the exact horizontal and vertical placement so you can center it or tuck it into a corner. Appearance determines layering. Behind places the watermark under your content for a softer effect. On top makes it more prominent, which is useful for strong labeling but can cover text, so choose thoughtfully. If you don't want the watermark on every page, adjust the page range. By default, Acrobat applies it to all pages, but you can open page range options and specify a smaller scope, such as only the first page or a defined span like pages 2 through 5. Take a moment to review your settings in the dialog. Make any fine adjustments to opacity, rotation, or position until the watermark looks balanced and readable. When you're satisfied, click OK to add the watermark to your PDF. Finally, save your document so the changes are preserved. It's often smart to save a new copy, keeping an original version without the watermark for your records. And that's it. Your PDF now carries a clear, consistent watermark applied exactly where and how you want it.